Don't learn AI automation. Yes, seriously, don't learn AI automation. Everyone on YouTube is telling you to learn AI automation or to build an AI agent. But I will tell you the opposite today. Because if you are building AI agent just for fun or because you want to copy tutorials, then you are wasting your time. There are thousands of AI agents out there, and thousands of people are building these things every day without making real money from it. They go ahead to build Gmail agents, they go ahead to build lead generation agents, they go ahead to build YouTube automation agents, and at the end of the day, after building, they post it on their social media and get 200 likes without any real money from it. So here's what I'll tell you: instead of building AI agents for fun, then you should build a business around it. Now, how do you build a business around AI automation? You can become an automation agency, meaning that you become a person that provide automated solution to businesses. Of course, there are businesses out there looking for automated solutions. You can build it for those businesses, not necessarily building AI agents that you will never use again. So here's how you can scale your business. You brand yourself very well as an automation agency, then you pitch to businesses, they reach out to you, pay you real money, and then you build these automated solutions for them. And now you find out that you are now in business instead of building for fun. So if you're not ready to do business around AI automation, don't go into AI automation, because you'll be spending money on subscription without earning money from it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, like the video and share it. I'll be showing you how to easily create an AI agent right now. It's no longer the complex way it used to be. Things have become more simpler and easier. Let's get to the workflow. When you log in or after creating your account, I already have an account, so I'm just going to be building with my account. So you just create your account. It's very simple step. Put your email and your password and then your full names, and then um, there are two options here. After creating your account, to bring you to this page, and there are two options: add first step, build with AI. So I'll be making a full video on creating from scratch, but for this video we'll be building with AI. So you can just enter your prompt here or spin up a quick prompt. So we are going to be, because of we are targeting businesses, and businesses are focused on lead qualification, lead generation, and then maybe invoice processing, but not much, and then meeting scheduling. So I'm just going to spin it up and the prompt has come up. And then there are two modes. I would like to select the build for the context of this particular project. So I'm just going to build, and then so I don't want to go into so many details. So the plan, you go step by step, testing out all the nodes. Okay, I'll be explaining what nodes are before you can build fully. So I just want it to um, create the automation for us, and then we'll set up credentials. So I'm just going to hit that, and it's loading up. It's loading up. We're not going to give it a moment to think. Okay, getting suggested nodes, searching for nodes, getting node definitions. So we are just going to wait for it until it's finished working on it. It's actually working on it. If you see on this side of the screen, it says working. So you're just going to wait for it until it's done. It won't take long. So it's working on it. Let's see. So it has started, it has generated all the nodes for us right here. It has generated all the nodes for us right here. So this is the lead form that you will connect to your website through a webhook. And then here is the LLM model, that is large language model, to qualify the leads, and then the LLM model will take it to the lead schema, and then from there, after qualifying it, it processes it and stores the lead data in um, in end-to-end sheet, and then from there it processes it to, if it's a high quality lead, this is like a boolean, so it's making the decision if it's a high quality lead, and then sends the true high quality leads to you. So after the qualification is done here, after gathering the leads here, and then this right here is the lead qualification logic. So after gathering it here, gathering the leads, so it processes it to the lead store data, and then using this logic, it determines if this the lead qualify or not. Now the qualified lead, okay, I think I should zoom in. Let me zoom in a bit. So the qualified leads, it sends it to email, and then the first lead, it just dumps it. So you can see in less than a minute, we were able to we were able to um, we are able to create this particular automation workflow. Now you can charge $200 to 1,000 to $10,000 depending on the automation agent the customer wants. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to configure this. We're going to configure this so that it can work. So I'm going to sign in with my email right here, so that it can actually send to an email. So right here, I'm going to be signing in to my email. Signing in with my email. So I'm basically connecting. I'm giving it all the access, so you can give yours all the access. So I'm connecting end-to-end to my Gmail so that it can work better. So having done that, I'm just going to close this, and you can see there's no more warning sign. So now, if you have it selected OpenAI GPT model as your LLM, that is the brain of the agent. So it's the agent that decides if a lead is qualified or not using this logic already created here. So the LLM right now, um, I don't want to use my API key, so you can just go ahead and this is GPT-5 mini, so you can go ahead and provide your API key, so you can set up um, so let's just try claim credits. So we've claimed credits. Okay, for free users, you can actually claim credits. I don't actually know about that. So you can claim credits, and then it will use. So yeah, please note these free credits are only for the following models: GPT-5 mini, GPT 4.5, and all that, which of course they are using now. They are using N8N free OpenAI API credits. So they are using their API credits for you to test out your what your workflow. So if you're a new user, they will give you 100 credits. But then in future, if you are building for a client, you have to subscribe to OpenAI premium account so that you can have an API key. It's just $20 per month, or there is an option where you pay as you go. So you put you you pay your desired amount of money, and then you use until that particular funds runs out. So right now every node is ready. So now what are nodes? I said I'll be explaining what nodes are for new people. Nodes are every element that makes up the 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 automation. Right here we have the form node, and then here is the um, brain node, which was connected to an LLM. So most times the brain is mostly connected to an LLM, and a memory, and then a logic. So you can connect an LLM, memory, and logic into uh, into, so you can see this is the chat model, and then this is the memory. So you can connect a memory here too. So and then two outputs just in case you want to output, and then input passer. So this is the input passer, the logic like I said for the lead qualification. So each of these are nodes, and nodes are connected by links, like as you can see, this links to this, and then this links to this, and all that. So these are nodes. So for this, we have the lead form node, the brain node. Now, under the brain node, we have the sub nodes, which is the open AI model, and then the lead qualification schema. And then we also have the store lead data, where it stores it. This is NHN sheets. And then we have the Boolean node, which makes decision. Is the lead qualified? Is it high quality lead? If yes, send to the email. So they are going to, this agent is just going to forward qualified lead to your email so that you can follow them up. Now, if you want to push this forward, you can create um you can create a sub agent that this particular agent will send qualified leads to, and then that particular sub agent will then follow up the leads instead of following. Okay, let's just add it up. Add a sub agents to automatically follow up the qualified leads. So with this now, once the user um, fills the form in your website, remember this website, this form model is connected to your website through a webhook. We are going to connect that real quick through a webhook, and then from then that form, those data that it takes in will go into this agent. Then this agent will qualify the leads and send it to email. Now we want to change it that instead of sending to email, it should send to a sub agent that will follow up the list. So the sub agent receive the list and then follow up the customer, and then follow up the leads. So just in case your client or the business owner is not available to follow up the leads, the agent follows it up, and you find out that you will be making a whole lot of money from doing this as a business, building a business around it, creating, making this, branding yourself as an AI automation agency. So now we have more things to set up, Let's see what it has done. Personalized follow-up. So the chat model follow-up agents. Okay, this is going to follow the leads up. Okay, now it has done it. Okay, now I can see. So now it follows it up. Now qualify leads. Now personalized follow-up. This particular brain here looks into the qualified leads and then um, connects with GPT to follow up the lead. This is a follow-up agent. After um, getting a qualified lead, send it to GPT to draft the follow-up message. Then the follow-up agent receives it and send back to the personalized follow-up. The personalized follow-up sends to send follow-up emails. That is it. So you can now see that building AI um so you can now see that it is better off to create a business around AI automation than building it for fun. So go out today, create your brand as an AI automation agency, and get your customers and build automated solutions for them. This is the best way, the best flow, the best method to generate income as an AI agency. Thank you very much. and see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.